Okay, so the question is about solving problem 1, 2, and 3. Why about the negatives? Why do these exist here? Okay, so we're just wondering, why is this there? Why is that there? Keep in mind, I'm asked to find cosecant. I'm given cotangent. Cotangent is the same as cosine theta over sine theta. So if cotangent's negative, one of them has to be positive and one has to be negative. Right now I know cosine's negative, so sine is greater than 0. It's positive. So knowing that is important. So now keeping in mind why I'm here to find cosecant. And cosecant is going to be, what I'm thinking on this is I've got cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. If I divide by sine squared theta all the way across, I will have cotangent squared theta plus 1 equals cosecant squared theta. Okay, well, now I've got negative square root of 35 squared plus 1 is equal to cosecant squared theta. Now this is 36, cosecant squared theta, and I know 6 plus or minus 6 is cosecant theta. But I know that sine is positive, so 6 is cosecant theta. In problem 2, kind of the same idea, except we're using tangent, and we've got tangent I'm looking for, secant's found, so I already know cosine theta is greater than 0 because tangent, or secant there, is positive. Okay, so secant is positive, sine's negative. So when I'm looking at tangent, tangent's going to be negative, so tangent's going to be a value, tangent is going to be a value less than 0. Okay, so we've got this stuff going, and I'm looking at this, and with tangent being a value less than 0, sine's less than 0, cosine's positive. Alright, so I've got to be thinking about cos, and I'm looking at cosine squared theta again, plus sine squared theta, and I'm always thinking about the original here, and I'm got to find a secant, so secant's cosine, so I'm going to divide everything by cosine squared theta. And this is my secant. This is my tangent. And this is 1. Okay, so now I have 1 plus tangent squared theta equal the square root of 10 over 3 squared. So this is 9 over 9, that's 1, plus tangent squared theta is equal to 10 ninths. I subtract 9 over 9, I've got tangent squared theta is equal to 1 ninth. And tangent theta is equal to 1/3. But remember, we did all that work, and we learned that tangent's negative. So my final answer's got to be a negative, so I got to fix that a little bit. And I'm going to say negative square root of 3. Well, I think that's pretty good for what we've got. We've got one more here. We'll go on to this next one. Not quite sure if I can get to that one, so we're going to have to like see which one that is, because I think my number 3 is hidden in this tablet. So those should be good enough for us to give you an example of what's going on. If you have further questions, please contact me. Have a great day.